Did you know that the philosopher who proclaimed the coming of the Superman ended his career by embracing a horse in the street? In January 1889, Friedrich Nietzsche walked through the streets of Turin when he witnessed something that shattered his mind forever. A coachman was brutally whipping his horse. The philosopher who had spent years writing about strength and power suddenly broke down completely. He threw his arms around the suffering animal and collapsed into madness. His final letters were signed with two names that revealed his fractured psyche: Dionysus, the god of chaos; the crucified, meaning Christ. He believed he was both divine figures at once, locked in an impossible contradiction. The man who taught the world to embrace suffering now sat in catatonic silence for 11 years. His mother and sister fed him, bathed him, cared for him like a child. The Superman had become utterly helpless. Was it syphilis eating away at his brain? Bipolar disorder finally consuming him? Or did his own philosophy of life's brutal truths become too heavy for even its creator to bear? Some shadows are too dark to escape,